Hi guys! For today's video, we will answer some questions from the story of The Open Boat by Stephen Gray. So if you're ready, let's start. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Midshipman Jonas Angelo Bonifacio. I'm taking US Marine Engineering and I'm 18 years old. So, for the first question, why is the story called realistic fiction? What real event provided Gray with the idea or basis for his short story? Okay, answer. Nag-research ako and I found out that it was based on Gray's experience of surviving shipwreck while papunta siya ng Cuba para magtrabaho as a newspaper correspondent. Who are the men on the boat? How does the narrator describe the crew? What adjectives does the narrator use? What are their jobs? My answer. The characters are the captain, the oiler, the cook, and the correspondent. Since unnamed sila sa story, ang identity nila is their jobs. Question number. Why are the characters traveling in a small boat? Okay. Their ship sank at napilitan silang gamitin ang reserve boat na ito. Okay. What does it mean that none of them knew the color of the sky? And this is the reason. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay abala sila and worried about keeping their boat afloat. Nakakatakot. How do the men in the open boat relate to each other? What do the men do to prepare in case some of them do not survive? Sa maliit na bangka, ay sinabi nila sa isa't isa ang kanilang mga address in case any of them don't make it so that they can contact their loved ones and malaman nila ang nangyari. And let's move on another question. What are some of the dangers the men face? Nawalan sila ng makakain, of course, and no source of fresh water. And ang mas inintindi nila is paano nila mapapanatili na nakalutang ang baka. How do the men get to a shore? Each of the men survived. Okay, side part. They swam towards the shore and sadly, the oiler didn't survive. Matapos silang tamaan ng malaking alon. Question number 8. Question number. What are the conflicts in the story? The conflicts are the characters versus self and nature. Alright guys, that's all for today. Hope you learned something. Thank you.